Okay, let's start this recording. Whoops, let's close this. And let's open MonDevelop. And let's hope my computer is up to the task. Let me have a very quick htop here. It seems to be okay. It doesn't die instantly, so that's good. I am currently building ctfe, as you know, and for my ctfe engine I'm now building a printer. That printer is able to show me the API that is called from the AST visitor to produce the bytecode. And I want this to be printed in a way so I can write tests for backend for the different backends immediately. So if you have a look here, let me make this full screen. Yeah. If you have a look here, there is this this bcgen function. Takes this generator. It says those are generator commands: generator, gen temporary, generator, multiply, division, subtract, and those bc constants here, immediate 32s, and it makes sure that the result is actually 7, and every evaluator that passes those tests will be classified as a working evaluator. And actually, if the evaluator does not pass the tests, the compiler will not compile. Let me show you. Now I am compiling DMD, the decompiler. And as you can see, it does compile. If I now go inside my BC tests and I decide to change the static assert here to check against 8 instead of 7, and I want to rebuild my compiler, you will see that the static assert is false. Because when the bytecode is executed, which does multiply 2 and 16, this is the first command, multiply 2 and 16, which is of course 32. The second command is divide the result of the first, which is 32 now, by 4, which is 8. Oops, 8. And then here is subtract the result by 1. The result is 8. Equals 7. And this is why this has to be equal to 7. I save it and I recompile, and now it compiles again. And this is how I check that my bytecode evaluator does the right thing. And for that, it needs to emit commands such as this, like gen temporary, gen mod3, div3, sub3, and return. And I want to have a way to build those commands myself, and that is what the printer is needed for. Okay, and now let's go back to the PC printer. So every time when something like add3 auth3 div3 is called, I want to add a new line to my source code with the values of this. Okay? And this allows me to emit the textual representation of what the AST walker did when it walked the AST DMD gave it. I'm going to stop the recording now and going to load up just this simple part, and then let's see if this works. If it works, I am going to make a new video.